I am not intuitive. I feel disconnected from my intuition. Because if I was intuitive, I would not feel this lost. My third eye chakra is so blocked. I feel stuck and alone. I feel unsupported by the universe. Even though I'm feeling confused and lost right now, I accept this is where I am. And today I'm allowing myself to learn how to tap into my inner intuitive powers. I'm ready to open my third eye chakra. I'm allowing myself to connect to my intuition deeply. I am open to seeing life clearly through my third eye. All these fears and anxiety I have about opening my third eye. What if I start seeing visions I don't like? What if I start feeling fearful intuitive hits? I acknowledge all these fears. I don't know where they came from, but I am feeling them and it's okay. I trust that the universe will only show me things I'm ready to see. I'm allowing my third eye to open. I choose to trust my inner guidance. My intuition is strong and reliable. I can visualize my life so clearly. I release all the fears and blocks that is stopping me from opening my third eye. And I trust my intuition will lead me to my highest good.